Hi guys, does anyone of you remember your favorite picture book from childhood? Well, I remember mine. It was The Adventures of Pinocchio. The reason I remember it so well is because of the amazing illustrations in it. Being a child, we all loved picture books more than anything else. But today, decades later, I'm amazed on seeing how art could make a change and an impact on adult minds as well. Today, under our initiative Vocal for Local, we are bringing you story of one such illustrator, Aishwarya Natraj, who decided to bring our best childhood memories into reality by making amazing illustrations for people and giving a strong message to the society through her work. Check this out.
My name is Aishwarya Natraj and I run an illustration and a graphics page on Instagram and Facebook called Draft Factory. Draft Factory just was an outcome of being not so occupied during the pandemic, and I really wanted to get back to my artistic roots, and I ventured into digital art because I really wanted to try out something new from what I've not done before. Digital art is a medium where you just create art using digital platforms like a computer, an iPad, or even a smartphone basically. And you can go absolutely crazy and creative with the kind of art that you want to produce. I started off with just sort of illustrating my friends and family, just getting faces and getting my techniques down to the T. And then someone just put it out to me saying that why don't you just try out and start taking orders basis on the commission. And I said why not try it out, and eventually that's how my journey with monetizing with my art started off with Draft Factory, and orders started coming in where people wanted to get portraits for their parents, their significant other, their best friends, and they wanted to just celebrate relationships and family, etc. The most surreal moment I would say was when Lipstick Politico Co., a very huge page on Instagram, featured my work, where it was just a small illustration where I just wanted to portray what was going on, and I just started doodling around and came up with a caption of send libertines, not rishtas, which sort of clicked with a lot of people on social media and was a little more relatable. And people like Kusha Kapila and Ritviz, when they noticed my work, it was even more of a jaw-dropping, and I was just over the moon about it. In the coming time, I really feel that the social media is something that is going to really help in sort of expanding your network, and thus my networking on in terms of what I'm doing has grown in the past 3 months, and because of which I have been working with a couple of cool creators and artists and collaborating with them, which eventually I'll put out on Instagram on my page and actually announce the end result of the product that we're really working on. I think during this pandemic I've realized that art is a subject which is so creative and so challenging that even a pandemic really couldn't get rid of it, and you just sort of rely on a much more creative process to get you out of this entire mental cage that you were there during this pandemic, and that's what really happened with me as well. And I personally feel that art should be affordable and people should invest in art, and that's only going to happen when art is easily available, affordable, and is also classy and looks good and has a lot of detailing to it. So a lot of more cool stuff is gonna come your way, so do follow Draft Factory on Instagram and Facebook.